Good morning dear students, welcome back to E-Class of Science. It's our fourth part of chapter 3. In last classes we were discussing about the synthetic fibers, isn't it? In first what we have discussed, what was synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are that made by human beings, that means artificially made thing with the help of some raw materials. And we know that by using this natural fibers, it are costly, isn't it? So and the availability also is very less. So we used to make the artificial synthetic fibers. Then the types of synthetic fibers, then we have studied, that was rayon, nylon and polyester, isn't it? Then we have discussed the properties of all those things. Then we have studied the uses also. We have studied the different uses such like making clothes, making nest, making jackets, these all things we have studied. Then next we are going to study about plastics. Very much heard thing, that is plastic, isn't it? Plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fiber. Like the synthetic fiber, it is also a polymer. What is polymer? Polymer is a chemically prepared thing. A number of chain-like structures are added. Then that is a polymer. Then all plastics do not have the same type of arrangements of the units. In this chapter, you are not needed to study more about polymer and all. Then anyway, we are just discussing the basic things. Okay. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement. The plastics, different plastic. PVC have different arrangement of these units, and also the other thing. Nylon have different thing of arrangement. Like the different arrangements are for each of the type plastic. In some, it is linear. Some of them, the chains are connected linearly, and whereas in others, it is connected crossly. That means such like here, if it is a unit, then it is connected in linear motion. This is linear plastics, and this one, it is connected crossly. That means here, each of the units are connected with the other units in 4 directions. That is the cross-linked polymers. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. We know that different shapes are possible, different sizes are possible, different colors are available. These all things are available. Then now we are going to discuss detail about the plastics. The fact is that plastic is easily moldable, that is can be shaped in any form. We can shape into bucket-like shape, ball-like shape, whatever shape we want to make, we can make it by heating it. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. These all things can be done. What are the things can be done? It is recycled. We know that when we have done the uses of any of the thing and it is not mortar for the use, then what we do? We will give it for the reusing, recycling process. Then that thing at that time, what they do? They will heat that plastic, maybe they make into pieces, then they will heat that and they will mold into another shape, another thing. That thing is happened for plastics. Then it is reused. It can be reused. One thing can be used in one manner. For example, the thing is for that. For example, the toys can be used for playing for the kids. That sort of things. After that, that can be molded, remolded, and that can be used to make mats. These sort of purpose can be used. So the plastics can be recycled, reused. Then color, different colors are available. Different types of color can be melted. It can be melted and can be rolled into sheets. Sheet-like structures can be made. We know that, for example, the plastic covers that are available, that is made into sheet-like structures. Then can be made into wires. We know that the nets we make, these all things, it is due to the property that can be made into wires. Then that is why it finds such a variety of uses. These all properties are with the plastic, so it can be used for many varieties of uses. Then the plastics, when we add cold water to a plastic bottle, it gets deformed. Such plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. You have experienced that thing. If you are bringing the water in a plastic bottle, when boiled water just put into that bottle, what will happen? It will be changed its shape. That means it gets deformed. So that means that plastic gets its shape changed when heat is applied on that material. Then that type of plastic material are known as thermoplastics. It can be known as thermoplastics. Polythene and PVC are some of the examples of thermoplastics. For you know that the polythene cover we are using, when a heat is supplied, then it will change, it will melt, isn't it? Then it is an example of thermoplastics. And another thing that we have explained, that is bottle. Then another thing, the pipe, PVC pipe. If we are applying more heat, then it can be made into, can be increase the size of pipes. These are things that plumbers are doing. You may see that things. These are some things that are used as thermoplastics. Then on the other hand, there are some plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating. If it is molded for the first time, then it cannot be made into again any of the thing. That type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastic. One time it is set, it is not able to make it for the another time. That type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. These things are also available in our home. You can see some toys. Some toys, if it is made with thermoplastics, it is not possible to make it another time. Then the dustbins and then plates and all the things, utensils that is used in our, these are not further can be heated and be molded easily. Then the examples of thermoplastics are bakelite and melamine. There are many uses of these types of things. Bakelite is using very times, we will be discussing it. Bakelite. These all things are made up of this bakelite purposes. Then the earlier phones, then you can see that these toys, these all things, some electric equipments, these all things, watch, it is having bakelite purpose. These all things are prepared by the bakelite. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. You know, when we have studied about thermoplastic, what we say, if we have poured some hot water, it will deform its shape. But thermosetting plastics, they do not deform. So that they can be used in the places where high heat, electricity is there. These all places it can be used. So it is used for making electrical switches. We know that we use when we use these things for electricity, it should not conduct, isn't it? Then we are using plastics. Plastics have the property they do not conduct electricity. Also this bakelite is very poor conductor of heat also, that they will resist heat for some extent. Then the next one is melamine. Melamine are the thing that is used for making this utensils that we have seen it. Then there are melamine boards are there. These melamine boards are used to make cabins, our interior decoration things. These all things, this our melamine board is used for. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. compared to other plastics, it can resist more heat. So it is used for making this boards and doors. Okay, then it is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. You know that you may be seeing that when we are making teapot, its handle may have some plastic teeth, isn't it? How we are preparing the plastic for that? It will overcome the heat of that teapot. Then it is all melamine products. Then these are for today. Then you make a list of plastic materials in your home. You go and check into the kitchen, then you can see many things of plastic materials in your kitchen and in your home itself. Many things are there. Then you can divide it into thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. You can write the list of the plastic materials, then divide it into thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. That is the home assignment. Hope you have understood about plastic materials. Now, next video also we are discussing something more for the plastic. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.